So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to use FaceTime on your iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can use the FaceTime application on your iPhone. So first thing, head over to your FaceTime application on your iPhone, and once you're inside here, just make sure you have successfully installed or updated the new version of it. And inside here you can see the two options. You can either create a link for some people to join and simply copy the link from over here, and you can simply send it to the different social media platforms to using messengers or WhatsApps or any other social media platform, where you can simply share your link and ask people to join from over here. And once they join, you can simply click on the link which you have already created, and once you click on that link, see anybody except yourself. And the other way to create your FaceTime is simply click on new FaceTime, and you can just also add different types of people from over here, multiple people, and simply invite with the messages like this with the subject. And once you click on send, they will get the message as well as the link. And once they click on here on your link, they will be redirected to your link, which will automatically help all of you guys to FaceTime with each other. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.